Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, one of the names that I think will be most interesting into next week is Coinbase. So this name has really been on just a fantastic run, and I think there are so many things that you can take away from this because there's always the argument that it is extended. I usually talk about a product being extended when it is a certain distance from its daily 21 EMA. And right now we are 30% from that moving average, so you could say that this is extended, but all the same, it is being repriced, and there is some momentum to it, and I want you to see how if you're following the idea of the squeeze, when the squeeze fires long, right, that's the signal that we saw right here into earnings, you want to try and follow that momentum until you get 2 bars of reversed momentum. Here, you only have 1 bar. Here, you only have 1 bar. So while these are nuances of the signal, they are ways that I can look at this and say, the squeeze is technically still bullish. So if that way of thinking still works, then we get into the Voodoo Roadmap. You can see that back in here, where you had such clean support at a fire line, and that took you into the fire line overhead. Well, now that level has been pushed through, and at its most basic level, I believe the fire line overhead at 289 is the next one to be tested. So these are proportions that I find to be helpful in active trading. I also think that the crypto market is the perfect place to see a bid over the weekend. And then when we come in on Monday, this is 270, 280, and again, ultimately targeting 290. So I hope that helps. Take a screenshot of the chart. I do believe it'll help you in your trading next week, and we will revisit these ideas once we see how they play out. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.